Today, we're diving into something that combines both form and function, the 7 best stainless steel fire pits on the market. Whether you're looking to upgrade your outdoor space or simply enjoy a cozy night by the fire, we've got you covered. From sleek designs to top-notch durability, we'll help you find the perfect fire pit to fit your needs and budget. Before we jump into the video, don't forget to check the links in the description below for more details on each fire pit and to see which one suits your budget. Now, let's get into it. Number 1. SURESTOVE Smokeless Fire Pit. The SURESTOVE Smokeless Fire Pit is designed with unique enhanced convection heat transfer burn chamber, double wall structure and perfect airflow system that reduces smoke by 90%. The small and portable structure made of 304 stainless steel makes it easy to move from storage to backyard or patio. It also includes a removable ash pan for easy cleaning and free accessories such as a base stand, widened edge desktop, fire ring, and waterproof fire pit cover that can be used as a carrying case. Always wear gloves when installing accessories and never touch the stove while a fire is lit. What we like: reduces smoke by 90%. Portable and durable 304 stainless steel structure. Removable ash pan for easy cleaning. Number 2. Onlyfire Smokeless Fire Pit. The Onlyfire fire pit is a portable and compact outdoor fire pit that is perfect for camping, tailgating, patio, backyard bonfire parties, and more. Its rust-proof stainless steel construction ensures better heating and durability in various environments. With its double-walled construction, this fire pit offers a smokeless wood-burning experience, reducing smoke, sparks, ash, and odors. The included ash pan makes it easy to collect loose ash and maintain vital airflow. The double stainless steel walls maximize airflow and the vent holes allow for secondary combustion, making it ideal for grilling and gathering with friends. It is a great gift for survivalists, campers, and outdoor cooking enthusiasts. What we like: rust-proof stainless steel. Smokeless wood burning. Portable and compact design. Number 3. INNO Stage Stainless Steel Fire Pit. The INNO Stage Fire Pit is a portable and easy-to-use stainless steel fire pit perfect for outdoor gatherings of 4 to 6 people. Its 21-inch diameter is ideal for small to medium-sized gatherings, providing warmth and coziness without taking up too much space. The unique design promotes better airflow and secondary combustion, resulting in smokeless flames that add a touch of beauty to any outdoor setting. With its 2 handles, you can easily move the fire pit wherever you need it. The fire pit also comes with accessories such as a separate ash pan for easy cleanup and a portable waterproof storage bag for convenient transportation and storage. Made of high-quality stainless steel, this fire pit is durable and rust-resistant, ensuring long-lasting use without the need for any installation or assembly. What we like: portable. Smokeless flames. Easy to clean. Number 4. SURESTOVE Yukon with Stand Portable Fire Pit. The SURESTOVE Yukon is the largest fire pit created by SURESTOVE, measuring in at 27 inches. The double wall design and bottom vent holes maximize airflow, creating a more efficient burn with little smoke. The top vents burn little particles that would have been smoke, creating a more complete burn. The Yukon stand accessory allows you to use your fire pit on heat-sensitive surfaces. The singular construction makes it easy to use and portable. What we like: large size creates the hottest and most effective fire for spending time with friends and family. Double wall design and bottom vent holes create a more efficient burn with little smoke. Top vents allow for a more complete burn and no half-burned logs. Number 5. KORNIFUL Tabletop Fire Pit. Introducing the KORNIFUL Tabletop Fire Pit, a minimalist stainless steel small fireplace that is perfect for dinner parties and s'mores making. This portable mini fire pit allows you to enjoy the cozy atmosphere of a real fire without the hassle of ash, soot, or smoke. It is ideal for people living in city apartments who want to experience the warmth and beauty of flames. With its compact size, measuring 13.8 by 7 by 5.7 inches and weighing only 4 pounds, you can easily take it with you for outdoor camping or use it indoors for parties. It's also a great addition to commercial and festival venues, such as cafes, weddings, or any romantic occasion. The KORNIFUL fire pit features a long-lasting burn time of over 1 hour, thanks to its ceramic wool insulation. Made of durable and safe 304 stainless steel with a black frosted finish, this fire pit is built to last. Plus, it comes with a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. Please note that fuel is not included, but you can use rubbing alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, or bioethanol fuel, which is affordable and easy to find. What we like: clean flames, multi-use, long-lasting fire. Number 6. Flybold Smokeless Bonfire. The flybold smokeless fire pit is a portable and efficient way to enjoy a warm fire in your backyard or on any outdoor adventure. Made of durable stainless steel, this 19.5-inch fire pit brings the campfire experience to your own backyard. It burns natural wood, eliminating the need for gas or propane and ensuring that your clothes won't smell like campfire. The smokeless design allows for a more efficient burn, resulting in less smoke and more time to enjoy the fire. Whether you're relaxing in your backyard or camping with friends, the flybold smokeless fire pit is the perfect addition to create a cozy outdoor living space. What we like: portable, efficient burn, smokeless. Number 7. SURESTOVE Ranger 2.0 Portable Smokeless Fire Pit. The SURESTOVE Ranger 2.0 is perfect for camping or outdoor activities. With its portable design, you can take it with you almost anywhere you go. The 360 degrees airflow and double wall design make it easy to start a fire and reduce smoke, so you can enjoy a warm fire without the smell in your hair and clothes. The stainless steel construction is both durable and lightweight, and the removable ash pan makes cleaning up a breeze. Plus, there's no need for parts or assembly, making it great for RVs and campers. What we like: portable and easy to take on camping trips or outdoor activities. 360 degrees airflow and double wall design reduces smoke for a more enjoyable experience. Removable ash pan for easy cleaning.